Hey guys, what's up? Julian here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the car right now in my Uber on the way to Napperville. Just kidding, I'm not in my Uber. I'm with dun, 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 dun. We are going to the CB2 oh, I didn't introduce you. Almost Stan. We're going to the CB2 outlet in Napperville, California. Napperville, Illinois. I'm sorry, I got LA on the mind. I'm sorry. We're going to the CB2 outlet in Illinois, and we've been driving for 3 hours, and we are like 10 minutes away, and I am so excited because it's my favorite store, and I've been wanting to go to this outlet for so long. You guys, there are couches here that are like up to 60% off. This is a broke girl's paradise, okay? I'm about to get a couch hugely discounted. Let's pray, because I've been wanting a couch for so long. So let's hope I find something that fits with the space and is of my taste and liking. And I'm so grateful to Stan. I just want the world to know for agreeing to drive 3 hours with me. I appreciate it. So yeah, we're about to pull up, and I will take you guys along so you can see all of the goodies that they have in there. All right, see you soon. So close. We're so close. Turn around.
Should I drive over?
No. Look, somebody did. Somebody drove over. Oh my god, that is so ghetto. We are here. This is the couch that I've been wanting. Oh wait, this is the original price. What's the price now? The original price is 20. Oh wait, is this full? Wait, I need to know. You guys, this is a couch that I want, but it says that it like back order until like July. But why does this look? Does this look like it's like sold behind it? Oh no, they ripped this off. What was the price though? Oh my god, I need to go find the price.
This is the one you wanted.
You don't like it?
No, I'm. That's good that it's here.
Yeah, I know. I'm jumping up and down inside. Okay, hold on. I need to find out how much it is though. Isn't it nice?
Mm-hmm.
Let me go ask them how much it is. Okay, and then there it is. Okay, so this is the one I want, but they didn't have it, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll get. Wait, maybe that was the one I wanted. Oh, they have a few. Look at this one. Yes. This one is really nice. It's $2,000 though.
That's nothing.
Okay guys, so I think that one is way too much money. It's 40% off of $2,700, which is still more than I want to spend. But I found these, which was my second choice, and here they are right here. So they're listed as $1,200, but it's 40% off of that. And I think it's because it has this slight markings on it, but it's so small that you don't even really notice it. So that's like around $700 for this sofa.
Oh, okay.
Let's just tuck it in there. So you can't see though. There we go. Okay. That's nice, right? Oh my god. You guys do not even understand how excited I am. Like, I'm genuinely excited. Oh my gosh.
These sofas, I want to tell you, I think there is something.
This right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
so,
then
that one
is dirty, stains, and
how would you clean this material, you think? Oh, and it has the rip right there. Okay. How would you clean this? You know?
so, yeah. Let me see what the website says, otherwise I have something.
Okay. I think I can work with this though. What do you think?
Yeah, that rip is better than that one.
So it's like here. Oh, here you go. I'll put this so you can see what you're doing. But it's like a rip right here. But hey, somebody could sew this.
Yeah.
It's just a. Here you go. Just push it in there. Oh. It was originally over $2,000. It was like $2,300. now it's $1,200, and then 40% off of the $1,200. So
Happy? Worth the drive?
I don't think happy's the word. I'm ecstatic right now.
It's cool.
Isn't it cute?
Mm-hmm.
And it's, you guys, it's exactly how much I wanted it to be. It's exactly the price I wanted. I wonder if we can fit 2 of these in your trunk. I get one for my mom. I'm about to FaceTime her. Okay, let's see. So it doesn't
Yeah,
say.
I was about to say this one because I know about this because velvet works really well with steaming and brushing. Yeah.
Okay.
It will remove all the imperfections, even the lines and crushings and everything.
I was wondering online why I only had 3 stars, but it's actually quite comfortable. They have the couch that we really, really want. You know which one I'm talking about? Huh? Yeah. Well, okay, so that one, that's the only thing. That one is 20. Huh? Okay, so I really wanted that one. You know, the one that we saw online? The caramel one.
The matcha.
The matcha, yeah. That was like my dream sofa. And this was my second choice. But that one is like almost $2,500, and it's 40% off of that. That's still more than I wanted to spend. I was trying to find something under $800. So this is the second one. Remember this one? Huh?
That's pretty.
Yeah.
That cushion?
This is $600.
That cushion?
No, it looks like it's attached. It's the back, so you can put it like
Solid, too.
like a reading nook or like another side accent chair in the. Somebody's trying to get some stuff, guys.
All right, go ahead. You do.
All right. Yeah, we haven't really looked. I just came in and ran right to the couch because I couldn't believe they had it.
All right, if you get that, then I don't know if you can carry it too. That'll be up to you guys.
Maybe I should just. Well, no, that's double. It's like. Oh yeah, it's almost double the price of the other one. I'm gonna get the other one.
They have the couch I want for less than half price.
All right, Mom. Oh, this one's only Oh, I thought it said $259. All right, Maja. I'm gonna walk around and do the video because, and then I'll call you back when I've done the video. Okay. All right. Bye. Well, this is $700 or $800.
What?
The coffee table. It's like dinging up though.
I will make that.
Yeah, he's gonna make it, guys.
This is inspiring to make some furniture.
Yeah.
These prices.
They're crazy, right?
Yes, that's pretty cool. I like that shelf.
I do.
We can make that.
Well, except for it's in white. $12.60, so it's 50% off. Do you like this?
Yeah. So when you ask me if I like something, I have to remind myself not to look at the price. Because as soon as I see the price, like, no, I'm not interested.
That's a cute one over there, that chocolatey brown. I'm really into browns lately. Let's see how much this one is. $1,500 for that.
It's like a big piece of poop.
Yeah. They're like, now let's take it.
It's different. I like that fabric.
The linen.
Yeah, I'm not sold on this.
Thumbnail. I'm only gonna buy their stuff if it's like already discounted. This is a nice desk chair. It's like 200 something. Alright, lastly we're gonna look at the credenzas and then we're gonna head over to Crate and Barrel. And first we're gonna buy that couch, then we're gonna go to Crate and Barrel. That's nice.
I like that.
Yeah, it's very like rustic, modern. Dacio vibes. I like those two together.
Yeah.
It looks like one long piece. But it doesn't have the knobs on it. But you could always take the knobs off and get whole new knobs for that.
You know how to pimp that out.
Mm-hmm. This is nice. So 50% off of this. I think that's a good price. That's worth buying.
900.
For little Toto? Actually, he looks like his name is Rex. Yeah.
Wrong business.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. For a reprint. You guys, Stan is offended by these prices. Expensive. I kind of like this duvet. I can't find the price of it. Let's see if this one has a price. I just like the detailing in this. Is very rare that you'll find a duvet with like such intricate details. It's like a really good quality one and it'll last you for a long time. But we got what we came here for. You guys, so we just bought the couch and I am such a happy gal. We're about to go over to Crate and Barrel, to their outlet, to see if maybe they have some more furniture. We're gonna see if they have some cool dining chairs. You guys, they have so much stuff in here. I don't even know where to start. Look at all these dining tables. There's a lot of dining tables. This one is nice. It's giving me very like Restoration Hardware vibes. Oh, I like that one. So all these are 40% off. This one's nice. It's like very postmodern with the little foam marble kind of texture. I have to come back here. Whoa, look at this one. Look at those. How cute. You guys, this is so nice. What? Okay, but so 40% off of that. It's not terrible. $1,500, around $1,500. What is that, like 16?
Yeah, I think that's 50.
Don't judge me for my math. Yeah, and then both of them together. I'm looking for that kind of vibe, like a vintagey vibe on my wall in my living room. I think they come out way too far, but I like them. Welcome to Crate. That's cute. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
What about that?
Yeah.
I like the shape of it. I like this color. more deals ahead. More great deals ahead. Yes.
You know when I see this stuff,
Let me
like,
think.
I can make that.
Oh my
That's a
god.
problem.
You
Like,
do.
I don't know. If I took my time, I'm confident. Actually,
You guys, I really love this piece here.
that is nice.
Look at all the little details in here. That's nice. 50% off all nightstands, dressers, and beds. Alright guys, so we just left CB2 Outlet and we didn't find anything, so we're just gonna go ahead and pick up the couch and then go grab a bite to eat. Okay guys, so we just finished eating and we're all done for the day, so we're about to hit the road and head back. I had a lot of fun and I will definitely be back at the CB2 Outlet. You guys have to check out CB2 Outlets and see if you have one in your area because the deals are pretty good. Anyway, love you guys all so much and I will see you next weekend. Bye.